Hello everyone. Power BI desktop visual now is started with a modern look. The March 2026 Power BI update introduced an updated base theme with uniform padding, uniform styling, and default canvas size of 1080 into 1920. Visual display is smoother lines, slicer default to drop down, and button features a refreshing appearance without requiring manual formatting. In this video, I will show you few things. Now let me switch for the demo. To enable a modern visual, we have to go to the file and option and setting. And in option and setting, and you have to update your Power BI desktop with the March 2026 Power BI release. And in the option you have to select a preview feature. In the preview feature here you will see the modern visual default and customizing theme improvement. So you have to enable this, click OK, close the Power BI desktop and reopen the Power BI desktop. So I have already enabled, so I'll click on the cancel. Now I have to select this visual and I will show you the what is the modern actually. And most important, here you can see the new option, style persist. If you expand this you will see the option. So by default it is default. If you want a data level you can select a data level, and if you want a state line you can select a state line, and if you want a state line with data level you can select this one. So for example, I select a data level with a smooth line, and similarly I can also select a data level. So both the visual is looks very uniform in terms of the lines and the level. Now for the column chart we have a very less option. This is the default and here is the option called data level. So once you enable, once you will select a data level, you will see the data level for the column chart. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.